Hi, welcome to this video. Andres here. In this video, I will be talking about understanding bid, ask, and bid-ask spread. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe so that each time I publish a new video, you will get notification. So now the question is, what is spread? So many traders out there, beginners and even some intermediate traders, find it difficult to understand clearly what is spread. Spread actually is the broker's fee, but it's not just a direct fee that the broker is charging you. The broker is offering you the bidding and the action price, and that is the way the broker gets commission from you entering a trade. Beginners in trading always ask, how is the broker making profit? The broker is bidding and offering you buy at the offer price and sell at the bid price, and the difference is called the spread and is the broker's profit. So let's look at this example. We have the symbols here with the currency pairs. You can see the first one is USD CHF. We have the bid price and we have the ask price. We have the GBP USD. We have the bid price and we have the ask price. Now, so many traders out there use 4 decimal places, digit broker, and then we have 5-digit broker. So here is 5 digit. The last one here, 7, is a fraction. And the last one here too is a fraction. Most brokers consider using 4-digit. So here is considered 1.3262, and then here is considered 1.3267, 1.3262, and 1.3267. So the last one here, the fourth one here is 7, and then the fourth one here is 2. So if you say ask minus bid, 7 minus 2, you have 5. So, but as we go further in this video, I will explain clearly and you will see how the broker makes their commission or profit. In Forex trading, transactions are carried out between 2 currency pairs. Here we have GBP versus USD, the US dollar and the Great British pounds. So we have on the left hand side here, we have the GBP, which is the Great British pounds, is the base currency, and then the right hand side, which is the US dollar USD, is the quote currency. Now this is how currency exchange rates quote look like. We have the GBP USD is equal 1.3267. The last one here is a fraction. So here it means that 1 GBP, 1 Great British pounds, is equal to $1.3267. So it cost $1.32 to buy 1 pound. Now here we have Forex broker trading platform, and you have your chart here on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side we have, sorry about that, someone pressed my doorbell. So like I was saying, the bid ask price is on the left hand side of so many trading platform out there. If you see that the bid ask price is on a different location on a trading platform, it might be something different than MetaTrader. MetaTrader is a trading platform that is used widely by so many trading brokers out there. So now we have the bid ask price here, and then your chart here. This is what it looks like on a trading platform. This is a clear view of what you are seeing from the left hand side of the picture I just showed to you. Yeah, I mean, this is picture, this is not live, so you can see it. This is bid and ask on the left hand side, and now just to have a clear view of it, we have the clear view here. The symbols are here, and then the bid price, then the ask price. So I will show you what it looks like from the live market. So here's an example of a live currency quote. You can see we have the main Euro USD, GBP USD, and so on. We have the purchase price, which is the bid, and then we have the sale, which is the ask. So the broker purchase bid at this price, and then the broker sell it to you at this price, which is the ask price. So the one you're seeing down here, this is Euro USD, and then the inverse of Euro USD is USD Euro. Same with this one. Same with this, we have GBP USD, and the inverse is USD GBP. So this is the inverse, and then we have the bid price here, and then we have the ask price here. So this is an example of a live currency quote. Now, from this example, from the GBP USD on this trading platform, let's use this and calculate and see how the broker are making their commission, how the brokers are making their profit. So from a clear point, we can see it here, GBP USD, we have the bid price and we have the ask price, right? So understanding bid, ask, and bid ask spread. So from our previous example, the GBP USD is 1.32677. Mind you, the last one is a fraction. So here, GBP USD, the spread is 5.1 pips spread commission. That's the profit for the broker. And here we will calculate and see how the broker is making their profit. So we have a sell price, bid, and we have a buy price, ask. Now 1.32626 and buy price 1.32677. And the last one is fraction. So ask minus bid is equal to spread. So when we take this ask minus bid and we do this calculation, we see that 7 minus 6, we have 1. And then we have 7 minus 2, we have 5. And then 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, and 1 minus 1, 0. So we have 5.1. Ask minus bid is 5.1 pips spread. So this is how the broker makes their commission, because they bid at this price and they sell to you at this price and you buy it. You buy in price. You buy at this ask price. They offer you this, you buy it, and because they bid at this price, they make a profit of 5 pips. Now it depends on the lot you're entering the trade with. If you're entering with a mini lot, micro lot, or standard lot, it now depends on how much they can make from you. And I will be talking about lot in my future videos. Here is a little note to help you understand this calculation. The ask price is what sellers are willing to take for it. If you are selling a stock, you are going to get the bid price. If you are buying a stock, you are going to get the ask price. The difference or spread goes to the broker or specialist that handles the transaction. Summary: ask price is the value point at which the seller is ready to sell, and bid price is the value point at which a buyer is ready to buy. Bid ask, now, which is the spread, which is the commission. Bid-ask spread is typically the difference between ask offer sell price and bid purchase or buy price of a security. So here is how the broker make profit from retail trader. Every time you go in and go out of the market, the broker has the potential to make profit, to make commission from you. And it all depends on the broker you are trading with, because we have brokers with high spread, high commission. We have brokers with low commission, and I'll be talking about that in my future videos. And if you subscribe to this channel, you will not miss out on my future videos. Because if you subscribe, each time I publish a new video, you will get a notification. So if you have any question regarding what is spread, you can leave it at the comment box below this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Green Forex Academy so that each time I publish a new video, you will get notification. That way you will stay updated and you're not going to miss out on any video I publish. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please click like, make comment, and subscribe to this channel to get notification each time I release a new video. Please pay it forward by sharing this video with others on social media.